Management Research Report, or the MRR, very important component of the MM program. The MRR1 focuses just on the external analysis, which includes the macro environment, the competitive environment, leading to opportunities and threats. The second MRR focuses on internal analysis and strategy formulation. So it follows really the classic format: look out, look in, and look forward. Deadlines are quite strict, and I think there's a kind of pressure that builds up.
Is their own, so by mortgaging a land they can get the debt. 20% they are going to bring from their own side, and 80% they are going to take.
Is that a problem?
Not a problem.
That's part of the context.
When I was studying that, I found there was a demand-supply gap and there was need gap in the micro market.
Let me jump ahead. We say demand-supply gap.
Yes.
Why they just focus on one type? Why a mixture? If the logistics business is good,
it's not very good.
No. Listen. If the logistics business is good, one possibility would be just to sell the property and put the money.
Put the money to expand.
From the general economic scenario, which shows that the logistics overall in India is not doing well.
No. That their business. How important this hotel business is to their family.
Is to the family.
When things are finally put together and the paper is approved, students have often looked back fondly on their MR experience as a After the MM program, I've noticed that many students often refer to their MR experience in the assignments that they receive from the companies that they work for. And they proudly come back and say, "Professor, I now do 1 MR a week." So I can clearly see that the students' way of thinking has become more methodical, has become more logical, has become more analytical.
And normally it lasts for a whole day, 8 hours. You're locked in a room, just doing the cases, answering the questions on the case which was given on the day itself. In the case of PAC, it's really an opportunity for you to exercise your thought process, identify the problem, understand where the problem is coming from, and then try to relate it to what you have learned in the class discussion.
Walkabout is actually a very powerful learning experience. And that's where you have the kind of flexibility in terms of, okay, we can measure and we can look at models of leaders today and say, okay, that's why the weights of the things we make the student go through are this. But in the future, it's not necessarily going to be the same. But how will we know? We will only know through the leaders of the future. And how do we know the leaders of the future? Throw them out there and let them walk about.
My walkabout is something that I'm trying to help a society that has been affected by Typhoon Ondoy. It's a very poor society in my province, and I would be establishing their livelihood. I would be giving scholarship for the children because all of their school things have been washed away by the typhoon. And I think given that I would, in terms of sustainability, I will also try to create a foundation.
When I came in here, I was only bothered about my professional growth. But what the course equipped me was not only with the chance to do that, but also be able to meaningfully look at myself, look within myself, and come up with insights that are very true to me. I discovered myself through this course, and that I feel is a very important value addition.
MM has molded me not only to become a leader, but also to become a better person.
If you look at somebody with my profile and background, biggest aspect which is added to my own persona, I would say, is giving me a well-rounded, holistic outlook, so which has been my biggest gain. So somewhere it has also helped me understand the decision-making process, which cannot be done in a vacuum. Also, maybe insights towards how the complexities, the messy decisions leaders have to make in real life workplaces. So
even though some people say you can't teach leadership, at least the course has given me something to reflect upon.
Look at this program as more of a learning you'll not get a chance in your life again where you can take a year off and really put yourself through this grind and through this drill.
Know that you would like me to announce that there are no classes tomorrow, but there are, sorry. So please do not drink too much, but just drink enough. You might find that with some alcohol, your understanding of those cases actually increases.
Jote D. DJ is employed. He's happy. I don't know.